Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aramide, and if you're new here, please do well to subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be juicing all of this good stuff, so guys, stay tuned. That needs to be peeled now, and I'm also going to cut into chunks. I am not going to peel the ginger. I am going to peel the lime and also the seed them. Okay. Now that I am done prepping my fruits for juicing, let's get started. I'm using my Buchi Mix Slow juicer, okay? And you guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the right time to do so you don't forget.